Owning a home is a keystone to wealth, both financial affluence and emotional security. My people, today we launch another estate in the heart of Ajah inside Thomas Estate. It's a beautiful area. You already know that that estate is existing already. And now we have launched Ivana Court. It's a mini estate of just about 12 units of apartment. Beautiful location, nice ambience. You don't want to miss it. You know what we always say about keying in as the pre-launch price. This is another opportunity for you to key into this project now. I'm going to be showing a lot of videos about this estate. If you don't know, clients were with us today and some of them are started dropping their first deposits. Don't miss it. I've posted the 3D video and I'm going to post it again for you to see how the estate is going to look like. It's an amazing location, good price, affordable, and you know that I will not bring you what will not profit you. Don't miss Ivana Court. Thank you.